I'm Matt. I'm here with the Woodworking Network. Today, we're going to talk to Dave with Original Saw and Williams Hussey. Dave is going to give me a little talking to about all these beautiful radial arm saws. So I want to start with those. How many different models of radial arm saw do you make?
33 of them.
33. Can you give me some simple high points about what makes some of them different?
Yeah, we hand wind our own motors, so we can build anything that you have for electrical, whether it's single phase or three phase, 208 volt, all the way up to 460 volt three phase. The three phase models we can run at 50 hertz for overseas, like the United Arab Emirates, and
customized wiring
yeah,
for each individual purchaser's needs.
Correct. We hand wind our own motors and we build our own electric panels. So
wonderful. In Iowa?
In Iowa.
That's amazing. Okay, what are some other things about the saws that maybe are different from each other?
Probably blade size and cut capacity. Our smallest saw, the blade guard will accept up to a 12-inch, but you could undersize it down for like smaller dado stacks if you're doing light work.
Right.
Our largest saws can take up to a 22.5-inch blade.
They're beautiful.
Yeah,
I came through earlier, I saw the big one behind you. It's like my inner woodworking 12-year-old got really excited. This thing's amazing. Okay, well, you guys are also doing molders too through Williams Hussey, correct?
Correct.
So I want to know about this, because that's newer.
Correct. 2 years ago, we purchased Williams Hussey and moved it from New Hampshire out to our facility in Iowa.
Okay.
So we do the knife grinding, hand build the molders in-house as they're ordered. Change the electrics, because like I said, we're our own panel shop. So instead of sourcing an outside electric panel, we build our own in-house.
Guys, that's a lot of in-house stuff.
Correct.
Which makes you so versatile. And if there's parts needs and sourcing, it's way easier on the customer.
We stock all the service parts, machines. You know, it's a company with great history. I think it goes back to like 52 or 53. All those machines are serviceable parts that we still manufacture and stock today.
As a professional, I cannot tell you how nice it is to know that parts are available and it's like a day's mail away.
Yeah.
You guys, that's awesome.
And if you call on the phone, you're going to talk to a person in-house, myself or Jamie, or on the Williams Hussey side of it, we draw the profiles and grind the knives custom for whatever you're doing. There's a gal that does that in-house also.
I'm now feeling the need for a radial arm saw. Thank you, Dave. Okay, so what kind of industries currently seem to be interested in the purchasing or getting into buying radial arm saws or buying your radial arm saws?
Yeah. So number one, we're the only American-made radial arm saw. The other ones are imported from across the seas.
Right.
Anything from a school, industrial arts programs, home hobbyists, manufacturing, furnitures, pallets, crating, and then big box stores have them in. We're a fixture where they custom cut lumber for you with our saw.
It's one of the first big machines with saws in them invented, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, been around for a long time.
I think the 24 or 25 was the original DeWalt patent.
And one of the more versatile saws when used safely.
Yes, correct. Proper training and guarding.
There's also been a lot of safety upgrades over the years.
Yep.
And all of your saws are fit with the most cutting-edge safety features, correct?
Correct. The blade guards and rip kits that we install for, you know, swinging the head and ripping materials down to width also.
Dave, I want to thank you for having us.
Yeah,
appreciate it a lot. IWF 2022. Matt with the Woodworking Network, sign out.